Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can reply to a comment on Instagram with a video. Okay, let's get started guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to pick a random comment, for example, from this post. So I'm going to go to the comments section, and then I'm going to select a random command from here. I'm just going to choose this one, this command. We can click on reply, and then to reply this command with a video, we can click on this camera icon. Okay, and then you can record your video, or you can upload your video from your gallery. As you can see guys, that the command has been automatically added to this video. So when you create your video, this command will be in it. And for me guys, I'm just going to choose video from my gallery. I'm going to go to my gallery, and here we can upload a photo or video. And I'm just going to choose this video. Okay, and then if you want to change the style of the comment, you can just tap on that, and then you can choose the style that you like. For me, I'm just going to choose this dark style. Wait, okay, this one guys. And then we can zoom in or zoom out and place this command on any part of our video. I'm going to place it right here, and then we can go to edit video. If we want to continue the editing, we can add text and then add sticker or voiceover or filter or audio. It's up to you. And once you're done editing your video, you can click on this icon. Okay, then you can write a caption and hashtag for your post. And then you can tag people, add location, or rename audio, then choose your audience. And you can also share it to Facebook. And once you're done, you can click on next, and then click on share to share the video with a comment in it. Okay guys, and that's all the way to reply to a video. I'm sorry, that's how we can reply to a comment with a video on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!